This is a 05 Honda Odyssey. The power steering fluid leaked out. It's having hard power steering. We verified that the power steering pressure hose, high pressure hose, that goes from the pump to the back, that's fine, it's not the problem. So we found the fluid leaked out. The front right side, driver's side front left, basically right there. So that's most likely the power steering cooling line that's leaked out somewhere. So to show the cooling line, this is the power steering reservoir. The line goes down towards the front of the vehicle. This is the cooler line, power steering. It comes, and from 05 and newer vehicles, it goes around this way towards the back of the engine to the power steering rack and pinion. And because it leaked right here somewhere, fluid came out that way. That means either this metal line broke or the rubber hose broke there. So all we need to do is open the bottom shield. It's the plastic shield. So there are clips here. There are 3 clips, one on the side as well, open to lower this. These are the clips, retainers. And as we open it, we found that's the cooling line. The cooler line came off right here. So it's a matter of loosen this screw, push it back, maybe cut this tape because it's become too soft now or hardened. So push this clamp back up here, make sure there's enough space, enough length of the hose, and push it in, screw it back in, and fill the reservoir. Should be good. If you find this is corroded, you can replace this. You can buy the tube, same diameter, make the same line and similar shape going this way. You can even add a little bit of extra length. Add a little extra length by putting more lines here. And disconnect the other end here and put the new line. This line looks pretty good. Not much light here. It looks pretty good, not rusted. It's pretty solid. So we'll keep the same line. We'll just put the line back on, but we'll make sure this rubber hose is working fine. We have to make sure that there's no crack or it didn't harden too much. Otherwise it'll crack again. It'll come off again. Okay. Bit of snow at the back too. So we used a knife to to cut the tip of the hose because this is really hard and it's going to open again if we tie it back. So we cut it. We have enough length of that hose, and we'll use the same clamp, put it back. It's the end of the hose. Now it's gonna go back in. So we put it back on. Now we'll refill the power steering pump at the reservoir with the fluid and test it. Just fill the reservoir and now I'll start the car. So after starting the car, recheck the fluid level, cold level and high level, hot level, and also double check the if the leak stops or still dripping, just double check, and then put the retainer clips back on to get the shield, all the shields back on. Okay, hope this helps. It's cold.